Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a Facebook pixel ID in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to add your Facebook or Meta pixel code on, click on Edit Website. This is my website inside the website editor, and to add my Facebook pixel code, simply go to More and select Integrations. Scroll down to Facebook pixel, click on it, and here paste your Facebook pixel ID like that. After that, click on Save. Don't forget to update your website from this corner or directly from here. It's the same thing. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And if you go or if you see here again, I have a Meta Pixel Helper Google Chrome extension. Let's show it, or how to know that your pixel code is successfully installed. Simply look for this official Google Chrome extension from Facebook called Meta Pixel Helper, and when a pixel code is detected, it will show up like that. Let's refresh my website again, and as you see, now a one pixel ID is detected, and if you see here, it ends with 57, which is exactly my pixel ID. And this is how to add a pixel ID, a Facebook pixel ID on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.